Happy Monday, Mid-Missouri. Today's forecast starting below zero, topping out just above zero. Later on this afternoon, we could get temperatures as warm as 2 to 5 degrees. It's looking cold today. Add to that, we're tracking some very minute moisture moving into the region throughout the day today. That's going to result in as much as a half an inch of snow. And really, it's quite fascinating if you think about how little moisture we're tracking and how much snow it could produce. We'll get through the morning dry. Clouds are hanging on strong. We'll see temperatures likely below zero throughout the morning, only above zero by the time we get to the afternoon. Some very light precipitation arrives. You're going to notice some snow start to fall. You'll see that here throughout the afternoon into the evening hours. Not much. We're talking maybe less than 5/100ths of an inch of moisture, but you factor in just how cold the air is. That's going to make for some pretty efficient snowflakes, and that could produce a quick burst of maybe up to a half an inch of snow. So really nothing too meaningful, but it is interesting to note that with as little moisture as we're looking at moving on through, given how cold the air is, it could produce some measurable amounts of snow. This is going to be very dry snow, very drifty snow. I wouldn't expect much in the way of visual accumulation, but you're going to see that snow blowing around on the road, so just understand that that's what we're expecting. Long term, we do expect a warm-up. There is light at the end of this tunnel. We're talking about warmer than average temperatures through the next 8 to 14 days, but we got to get through the first 7. Those first 7 days are going to be quite cold. We've got temperatures again today, maybe about 5 degrees, and then we're looking at a notable warm-up tomorrow, still teens in the forecast. Now looking at Wednesday, we're going to start cold, about 5 degrees in the morning. We'll keep our ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert Day coverage all the way through Wednesday morning, and then it stops because Wednesday we've got a chance to get back to about freezing, which is going to be a very pleasant change from where we've been, even though, again, still not exactly a warm temperature. By comparison, it will be. Thursday, we've got maybe we'll call it a moderate day in the forecast, 30s. There's potential, though, that could change about halfway through the morning into the afternoon. As another cold front moves through, we see a chance for a few snow showers, but the big change there is going to be another blast of Arctic air for the end of the week. We'll likely have to issue another ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert Day, but precipitation should be minor here. Our big focus is on the return of the cold that lasts at least through Saturday, and we'll see how long it hangs on into next week. Again, signals are for more warmth towards next week. We're talking above average temperatures that could mean 40s or warmer.